I'm about to show a trade regarding natural gas, and this commodity is very interesting. This chart is the weekly chart, and you can see that we have a massive uptrend here. It's just exploding twice, forming a double top formation, a large supply level zone up here. And I went long very close to this 100 EMA moving average here because I can see that many times the price reacted to 100 EMA here, and you can see also here where it went so strong for 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks. So we had 2.5 months of strong trading, bullish, almost vertical here, extremely strong momentum from this 100 exponential moving averages. So I made a blind entry here, went long instantly. Also because I was analyzing the daily chart here. And I also saw that when the price went down in this area, a pretty strong demand zone that I have earlier drawn from this. This was the former resistance. I will actually attach another video of mine teaching you how to draw very strong, accurate supply and demand level zones using wicks. So you can see here, I'm using the wicks here. So this is the past the former resistance level, and that become the future support level here. As you can see, it went strong up from this level here when it touches the roof. Here it went down below this zone, but buyers stepped in very swift here, and we had a close here. So then the trend just went berserk on the upside here. Extremely strong momentum once more. And so now the price have hit this level. And I went in blindly, as I said, and I can also show how it looks like in the 4-hour chart. And here is the daily and weekly demand zone here. And let me enhance it. So I just went in directly here because I felt it looks like the price wanted to hit a double bottom here. Lots of institution, big elephants on the market, hedge fund managers and so on. They usually when they buy, they make like 3 buy orders or 3 or 4 sell orders because they have a lot of money to spread out for the trades. And this pattern, when you reach this double bottom formation, is usually when also hedge fund managers and big banks like me, they do a blind entry here at this very important demand zone. And then we have retail traders and other participants of the markets who push the price down. And then when the price hit this level again, a double bottom, the same level here, the banks buying, going long on natural gas second time. And this time the price went stronger, also depending because retail traders also find it interesting this time when you saw that the price didn't go below this important level here. And let's have a look here on my trade. I put a take profit level here at 7,125 here. And let me enhance it. It's pretty annoying because it's so close. So I could take my profit here. The price went up here. So little to my take profit level here. You can see the gap here. So therefore, I will manually take the money. And I think it's a good trade. The risk reward relation was 1 to 5, almost 4.7 times my risk. My risk in money wise speaking was almost 347 euros. And my profit is now 1,644 euros. So it's almost 5 times the money, return on investment and risk. So I cash in this money right now. Okay, we have some technical issues here, of course, when you're having a video. Okay, what's wrong now? Okay, I will not make this a boring video with this technical issue. I don't know why I cannot take the profit right now. I will manage it, update the site. So this was the natural gas. Very interesting. A good profit here of almost 1,400 euros. And very briefly, short cap, I bought it blindly in this demand zone because of weekly chart. It is a major demand zone. And it also was interesting buy from a daily chart point of view here. And also on a 4-hour chart, we can see that this is also actually a inside bar pattern strategy. We can see the mother bar here, and we have the second bar is an inside bar. So the inside bar pattern is clear when we have this close. So we have several inside bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has a consolidation phase. So usually when the price leave this mother bar here, we have this consolidation of inside bar, the price usually went strong on either direction. So in this case, the inside bar strategy, as we see here, is usually a very strong reversal trading strategy because we have a downtrend here. So this can mean that we have a bullish trend on the upside here, a bullish trend. But we will see about that. We need more information here and higher prices. But it was a good trade. So I hope you liked my video about natural gas trading, commodity trading. And it's also a very interesting asset security to trade during this war in Ukraine and all about Putin misdoings. So support me and press the subscribe button, and you will not regret it. You can make good profits, return on your investment to follow my advices. Take care. See you soon again.